Hi, in this video I will show you a couple of wonky entry examples that worked really nice, as you will see, and where we could exit and so on. So the first one is marked from this vertical line over here. We have all the conditions met for wonky entry, and this is the actual entry candle where this vertical lines goes through. Why? Because we have our FS3 indicator above the zero level, as you can see on previous candle, and above the red line. And then we have our FS2 indicator above the zero level, as you can see on the previous signal candle. Then we have the first bull histogram of our FS1 indicator, and it's above the 50 level, which is the condition for wonk setup. And we have our FS dots and then our FS dots line formed over here on the previous signal candle. So at the opening of this candle, as long as all the conditions remain, and they remain, we are going wonk. Our stop loss is over here just below this dot as per rules. So let's see, our stop loss will be around 220 pips. Our first target is 220 pips, somewhere over here. It will be hit really fast, as you can see. The second one, which is 2 to 1 to our stop loss, would be 440, somewhere over here. It will be hit really easy as well. So in this case, if we kept this trade opened, both of our targets will be hit. Of course, we have some possibilities to exit this trade. For example, one of our possible exits is when we have price closing below the FS dot line. So it happened over here on this candle, as you can see, although it's really tiny, but it's still below. So in this case, we would end with around 250 pips of profit, right? And the next possible exit was over here when our bull line of our FS3 indicator crosses below the red line, which is, let me see, again somewhere around 270, 280, 100 pips, right? So nice and easy. And the next one is over here. Again, this is H4 chart, by the way. So we have all the conditions for a wonky entry met on the previous signal candle, the previous one. Signal candle means when all the conditions for wonky entry were met for the first time. So why? FS3 indicator, bull line is above zero and above red line, clearly visible. We have our FS2 indicator, histo above the zero level. We have our first bull histo above the 50 level on FS1 indicator, and we have our FS dots below the price and FS dots line below the price. So at the opening of this candle, where this vertical line goes through, and as long as all the conditions remain the same, unchanged, this means confirming our wonky entry. They are, as you can see, everything is the same, favoring our wonky entry. We have second bull histogram from our FS1 indicator also. So at the opening of this candle, we are going wonk. And our stop loss goes just below over here, around 135 pips downwards from the entry. Our first take profit target, 100 and something, 35 pips upwards. It will be hit probably on the same, on the same opening candle. And twice, this means 290, 290. In this case, it won't be hit, right? I think. Probably it will be hit, but so it will be hit, and then the market will reverse. So we have, in this case, again, both of our targets hits. We could exit our trade if we waited for it, and we decide to, to trail our stop loss. We could exit when we have this close below the FS dots line, or when we have this cross of bull line of our FS3 indicator below the red line. So in this case, we will get a little less profits, but still it's profit. So the main thing is to be on profit. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.